In this video, I'm going to share how to post a video on YouTube from your camera roll. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I will pass the information on my Android, but it's the same process if you are using an iPhone. What you need to do is first log on YouTube and log into your account, the account that you want to post a video from camera roll. Then you need to click on this plus middle button. You will open this page and click on the second option, upload a video. You can also create a short if you want. Here you will see all videos that you have on your camera roll. So you just need to select the video. I will select this random video just for example, click on next. Here you can also put sound, text, timeline and filters. Next again. And on details you can set your video as public, as unlisted, as private, and schedule your video if you want. Here you can select the time, the day and the time that you want to post your video. Okay, you can also click on comments right here and disable comments if you want, allow all comments, hold potential inappropriate comments for review. That's the best option. Okay, then you just need to upload right here and that's it, you posted a video on YouTube from your camera roll. I hope I helped you how to post a video on YouTube from your camera roll. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.